Tired of jumping between tabs just to schedule a Google Meet? Learn how to do it directly from Gmail in under 60 seconds. First, we'll enable the Meet sidebar in Gmail. Then, I'll show you how to create and send an invite, all without leaving your inbox. Start on the Gmail homepage. Now, click the gear icon at the top right to open Settings, then enable Google Meet on the sidebar. Next, click Customize to adjust which apps appear. Then, click Google Meet to add it to your sidebar. Once that's done, click Done to save your changes. Now, click Reload and wait for the page to refresh completely. After reloading, click Meet on the left sidebar. Then, click New Meeting to start creating a meeting. Now, click Send Invite to open the sharing options. Then, click Share via email to send an invitation through Gmail. Type the email address of the person you want to invite into the field. Finally, click Send to deliver the invitation. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.